Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloiti World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you pen and windows write with your fingertip off in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the search option. So here if I click the pen and windows link, I have entered the main thing. See, pen and windows link. So click here and I will go to the another way. So search option here I can write, or I have used the recent thing. So settings, here the Bluetooth and devices. See here this scrolling in below. Pen and Windows ink, right-handed or left-handed pen button shortcuts, handwriting here. So I have clicked this. See here the handwriting panel settings. So choice how you write and how your text appears when you use the handwriting panel. So click this. So here I have on it just now. Now I want to off this thing. So click here off. See, and here the thing has been, you can select it. So if I unselected this, and that's why no need to do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.